In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Hostinger email account and configure it with Gmail for seamless communication. Whether you are running a business or simply managing personal emails, integrating these services can enhance your email efficiency and ensure you never miss a message. Let's dive right into it. First off, you'll need to log into your Hostinger account. Open up your web browser and navigate to Hostinger's website. Once you're there, you'll see a login button on the top right corner. Click on it. Enter your credentials and hit login again. If everything's gone smoothly, you should now be in your Hostinger dashboard, where all your web hosting services are managed. Once you're logged in, look for the Emails tab on the main menu. Click on Emails and then navigate to Email Accounts. This section houses all the specific settings related to your email hosting. It's where you can create, manage, and delete email accounts for your domain. Now that you're in the Email Accounts section, it's time to set up a new email. Look for an option that says Create New Email or Add Email Account. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to fill in some essential details. You'll need to specify the email address you wish to create, such as info@yourdomain.com, along with a secure password. Take a moment to pick a password that's not only secure, but also memorable. Once you've filled out these details, hit the Create button. Great job! You've now successfully created a new email account with Hostinger. However, to maximize convenience, you might want to manage this email through Gmail. Let's configure Gmail using Hostinger's SMTP and IMAP settings. Open your Gmail and click on the settings icon in the top right corner. It's the one that looks like a gear. From there, select See All Settings. Once the settings page opens, navigate to the Accounts and Import tab. Here you'll find an option labeled Add a Mail Account. Click that and a pop-up window will appear. In the email address field, enter the email you've just created through Hostinger and click Next. You'll then be asked to choose between import emails from my other account, POP3, and link accounts with Gmailify. Select the latter option if available, or continue with POP if that's the only option presented. Input your password when prompted, and move forward. Now it's time to enter the Hostinger SMTP and IMAP details. Hostinger usually provides these details in your email settings back in the dashboard. Enter the SMTP server's address and the port number provided by Hostinger. Make sure to choose either SSL or TLS for a secure connection. Click Add Account once you've entered all the necessary information. And that's it. You've linked your Hostinger email with Gmail, making it easier for you to manage your emails all in one place. You're now set up for efficient, streamlined communication. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.